Hi guys, welcome to yet another video, and today we are going to talk about a topic that is so important. I was, showering. I was taking a shower and I kept thinking, what video should I do next? I thought and thought and thought. So I was like, do this video. I think you've seen the title and you've seen the thumbnail, of course. But today, my heart is reaching out to the people that are just beginning, the people that want to start trading. I think it is important that we understand, right? It is quite important we understand the task we are coming to. So, if I was a beginning trader, what would I do? So I kept thinking, how I started, how my story has been. A little bit about my story is I traded for 3 years and I wasn't being profitable. I was making profits, but I wasn't withdrawing. Not until this year in June that I got a huge payout that surpassed what I was expecting. So in this video we are going to go deep and see, if I was starting trading, what would I have done different and what would I have done better? Anyway, I'm giving you this. It is up to you to take it or leave it. Some of you may not consider it as important, but I know there is someone I'm talking to out there, and I hope you're watching up to the end. So if this is for beginner traders who don't know much about trading, who don't know how to trade, they are the ones I want to talk to. But a person who has been trading can also benefit. Maybe it would make you more profitable. It would help you improve your trading skills. Therefore, I'm going to state the video in phases. What you have to do to begin trading and later become profitable, so that you don't take long. I don't want you to take long like I took, right? So you have to watch this video and, of course, tell me what you think in the comments, and let us jump into the first thing. So I'm a beginner. I want to jump into trading Forex. All, CFDs. I want to trade a lot of things. Stocks, there is indices. There is a lot of things you can trade, but the easiest one is Forex. You should start with Forex. So I'm a beginner and I want to start trading. This is what I'm going to do. First thing, I'm going to pray about it. Yeah, if you've been watching my channel, or if you're not watching me for the first time, I'm very heavy on prayer and God. Because most of us undermine the power of prayer in our lives. We undermine prayer. We don't think of it as strong as it is. But if you're very interested in trading Forex, go to your knees, not even on your knees, stand up and say to your God. A prayer could be as simple as this. Lord Jesus, I come to you with a burdened heart. I've seen trading, I've seen videos of people trading, I've seen a friend trade, and I really want to go into it. I really hope it can help me do your job better. It can help me do what you have prepared for me better, and help me, Jesus, to master it and get something out of it. If this is meant for me, I know you will help me and let me walk with you throughout my path as a trader. Something as simple as that. I came up with it, but just that, you have to pray, because prayer can lead you to places that you do not know. So pray. That is the first thing you have to do. Pray. And prayer does not mean, okay, I pray now and it is done. You have to pray every day. Pray about this particular thing. I give an example of when someone falls in love with a person. They do not want to spend a minute without talking to that person, right? They do not want to spend a minute without talking to that fellow. So prayer is the first thing you should do. make sure you pray about it. Tell God, this is what I've watched. You understand, right? So it is a continuous thing. Even in other steps you're going to take, you will need prayer. That is why it is at my number one. The first thing you should do is to pray about it, right? Then number two, the second thing is you should get inspiration, get inspired. And inspiration is easy now. You can get it on TikTok, YouTube, but you have to be very smart, because if you get inspired by the wrong people, you will also go into the wrong direction. Take an example. Right now, it is so easy to inspire people. I can just come and put on a suit like this, go and rent a Lambo, and you get inspired. Get that inspiration. It is good, it is okay, because I also got it actually. So it is good, but what you use with it, let it inspire you to also achieve your dreams. Your dream might not be a Lamborghini. Your dream could be, doing charity, serving God, such things. And it doesn't mean that if I watch inspiration from a Lamborghini, that is the direction I'm going. My inspiration is getting trading into my head, being profitable, and so that I can do God's work. Anyway, after getting inspiration, go to YouTube, go to TikTok, search trading Forex. You will see videos. People getting payouts, people being successful, others blowing accounts. It is all inspiration, and it is okay to get it, as long as you keep your mind sharp. Do not be taken, by worldly stuff or anything. A comfortable life is really, really nice, and I would wish it upon anyone, but do not be taken astray. That is what I can say. Get inspiration is the second thing you have to do before you even start anything. Get inspiration, get inspired. My story, I've been able to inspire people, and I thank God for that. But you also out there, you could get inspiration from someone else, which is totally good and beautiful. So to those I inspire, keep your head down, trade, and reach that stage where it is a skill you're going to keep for life. Anyway, let us go to the third one, and this is also quite important. Remember, you're praying, you've gotten inspired, and then what you're going to do next is you're going to download two apps like this. You'll need to download these two apps. The first one is called MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is quite important in your trading journey. You could use 4 or 5. It is MT5 or MT4. You go to your app store, you go to Google Play Store, I think, and download MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. This app is quite important. MetaTrader 5, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it properly, but this is what it looks like. I know maybe you guys can't see it, but that is MetaTrader 5. It is quite important. Then the second app after MetaTrader 5 is TradingView. You have to get MetaTrader 5, then TradingView. Let me go onto the desktop and show you what TradingView is. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is TradingView, where you see the chart and where you see, the candlesticks. I know if you're new, this is something different, but if you've been trading, I know you know what this is. So you're going to learn these two apps. You can use this TradingView on Chrome as a website. You can use the website, but also get the app on your phone. If you have your phone, you get MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. Then you have most of the things you need after those. As you can see, this is a gold chart, and these are candlesticks, right? But most of you know this, right? Candlesticks, you can go to anything you want. US oil, GBP, USD, it is over here. You can go into GBP USD. You see how the candles are forming. You know, you see price action. This is a very clean chart that I'm showing you at the moment, but you need it very, very much. Something I can say, I can add on this, on these two apps, something I had forgotten. I had not prepared it, but it has come to my mind now. Another thing you need is ChatGPT. It will help you a lot. Use it as a personal assistant, as a trainer. Ask it questions. It will help you. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing, so you shouldn't be left behind, all right? Go to ChatGPT, ask questions. So these are the three apps you will need. MetaTrader 5, this will be used to execute your trades. TradingView will be used to study the charts. It is quite important. Most of the beginners go into MT5. That is where they do the charts and everything. But TradingView is quite important to every trader. Every trader that is profitable, every trader that is consistent needs TradingView. And then ChatGPT will help you also in your endeavors. I have a lot of good things to say about OpenAI's ChatGPT, but those are the apps you need for now. We are going to jump into the next one. Yes, after getting the apps sorted out, you need to open a demo account. This is number 4 of the things you should do. You need to open your demo account, and it needs to be simple cash. Don't put $1 million on. Be serious about this. There are some people who open demos and be like, I'm going to put $1 million, $10 million, and I'm like, you're already playing instead of putting 100. Okay, MT5 will maybe give you minimum 3,000. Like they'll give you maybe 3,000 to start with, and start playing with that. You know, learn how to, you start playing with the demo account. And all these things have videos on YouTube. Go to YouTube or ask ChatGPT, how do I open up a demo account? Right? These things will tell you really well. And then the other thing you have to do is to start buying and selling. All these things are for beginners. Learn how to buy, sell. Okay, the market is going up. Let me buy. You need to start like that. Buy, sell. As long as you grasp that, you'll be on your way to start. And we are still on a demo. So grasp that. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. When do I buy? When do I sell? Buying, selling. Sell a pair. Then you see it. You see yourself losing demo money, not your real money. Sell, and that is what a demo account is. You're learning. You're in a school studying. So you'll lose money, you'll get some money, you'll be excited, but all this is demo, right? This is what they call a demo process, a demo account. It is called also paper trading, like you're not using your real money, you're trading something. I hope you guys are getting me, right? Anyway, another thing I wanted to talk about is don't be scared about my suit. I know I'm really smart, but I'm a simple guy, guys. I just feel like my channel has gone through a lot of transformation, and at this moment I feel like being smart is a statement itself. I want to put on this suit and talk sense, because trading has been really nice to me lately. So let us continue discussing sense. Anyway, after starting buying and selling, you're going to also keep on learning the basics. Mind you, all this is happening while you're praying to God. You don't leave that behind. You keep praying. You're on a demo, you've started buying and selling, you're learning the basics. Like I've shown you candlesticks, I've shown you, those patterns. You also go to YouTube. YouTube has a lot of videos, guys. I like YouTube a lot, but it is rich on content, and whatever you watch is what comes to your mind. So watch trading videos, learn how the basics of trading. There are courses on YouTube, paid and free. Make sure you first exhaust the free sources, the free courses. Exhaust those, and then if you wish to go in for a paid one, I don't know. I can't advise you on that, but I've not taken a paid one yet. Maybe I will in the future, maybe not, but that is it. Learn the basics, keep learning. And these are now weeks going. We are in weeks, not in one day. Someone can do it in one day if you have time. Like put in 12 hours in learning trading. No one will tell you no. Whatever time you have, that is what you have to put in. So, after learning the basics, I believe time has gone now. We have to know what is next after this. You have learned the basics. You know how to sell. You know how to buy. You know what lot size you want to use. You know everything now that is about trading. You know, if I use this lot size, I'm losing too much money. Those are the basics I'm talking about. If I use this medium lot size, you know, it is a bit fair. If I use the smallest, you know, I won't get anything out of the market. Those are the basics I was talking about. After learning the basics, now you're going into the big boy stuff. That is why we have to get serious now. The big stuff now is coming up next. And right now we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to the 7th part. Number 7 of what you should do while learning how to trade as a beginner is you have to zero down on a strategy. This is huge, guys, because it will define the rest of your trading journey. You have to learn what strategy you're going to use. And learning is a process. You can get it from a book you've read. You can get it from someone, like someone you've watched. You can get it from a mentor of yours. What strategy you trade is going to be very important, and it is going to define you as a trader. So zero down on a strategy. There are plenty of strategies out there. There is demand and supply, support and resistance. There is trend lines. There is smart money concepts. There is a lot of strategies. There is a lot of strategies. So you have to zero down on which one you're going to use. Now you're into the big, you've stopped playing now. You're getting into the serious stuff. You want to make money consistently. Losing is part of the game, but you want to make money consistently. That is what every person will tell you. So zero down on a strategy, learn it. And by learning it, I mean you have to read. You have to watch videos on the strategy. Not only watch videos on YouTube. You have to read books about this particular strategy. You have to go into indicators. Which ones are performing better or not. So learning your strategy is quite important. Also pray to God for inspiration. What strategy should you use? Also, for me, when I was learning, I learned my strategy from a particular YouTuber. And they are a YouTuber. I watch their videos. I'm also a YouTuber. Now, even before I was. Actually, if you look at my channel, I used to play some video games here and there. You know, shoot some content when I'm outside. But now I'm more of a trading YouTuber. So I'm stressing this. Zero down on your strategy that you're going to use for a very long time. You don't have to have one strategy. You can have two strategies, but this will confuse you. First, stick to one. And they call it milk it. Milk that strategy so that it changes your life. Because that is the ultimate goal. To change your life and not worry about finances, not worry about a lot of things. So, yeah, zero down on a strategy, study it, apply it, you know, transform it, turn it into yours. Okay, well, let us continue. So after zeroing down on your strategy, now you have to stop trading paper money or demo accounts. You have to start your own account. And this is tough. You have to start trading on your own account, right? This is tough, but this is now you've grown. You know, there is no turning back. You're a trader now, and there is no turning back at this moment in time. So you have to understand Okay, the easiest part is starting on a personal account, and with this you'll need a broker, right? Now we are into serious business, guys. Remember, to trade you have to have an ID. So now if you are opening up with a broker, I can say XNES and FBS are the ones I've used so far for a personal account. And do not start with, I need to start with $1,000. No, don't do that. Look at your finances and define them. I earn $500, or let me say I earn $250, 250. I have rent, so I don't have that much capital to do what? To trade. I can start with $50, all 10, because personal accounts accept $10. You start and learn, understand, okay, this is real money, because the other one I was playing with a demo. Now this is real money. I've put $10. Let me try and make $2 and see. Yes, that is the progress you'll need. So in trading personal accounts, you can also start exploring prop firm accounts, because I also do both. I did personal accounts. I wasn't getting anything out. You know my story, those that have watched the videos before. But also you can do prop firm accounts. I've explained to people what a prop firm is, what a personal account is. All these are very good opportunities for you to earn money out of the markets, okay? So keep it real and understand that this is what I have to do. Either you go for personal or prop firm, or you go for both, or you go the other way around. It is all up to you. The decisions are being made as you're learning and also praying for inspiration, right? Yeah, so here you're being split into two. Prop firm, personal. You can do multiple. Trading is so nice. There is no limit. Anyway, let us just continue. I don't want the video to be too long. I know most of us are enjoying the chat, as I enjoy talking to you guys. And I want to remind you that the school that I'm doing is full now. It's almost full. I think I have 20 students, and then like 5 are left with sending in their response after the first initial email. Then I'm going to train those guys to get payouts from prop firm, because it is important to get payouts, man. And I think I can replicate what I did in the past 2 months to help 25 people also become profitable traders. Because when you learn trading with a prop firm, it is easier to transform that into your personal account. You'll become a beast. Okay, let me not say beast, but you'll become the goat, of trading your personal account if you've been successful with prop firms. Anyway, after doing the personal accounts and prop firms, learning slowly, start improving your psychology. That is number 9. Psychology is important. Some of us did psychology. And just to say a little about psychology, this is observation of human behavior and the way people react to different situations. So psychology is simple. In trading has its own psychology. When you lose money, how do you react? Oh my God, what happened? I'm not trading again my entire life. That is, psychology. Then there is one who loses and they're like, okay, I lost this. Why did I lose? I lost because I panicked and entered these trades. I increased the lot size. Why is that dangerous? It is dangerous because I almost blew the whole account. I blew the whole account. All my money is gone now. What is the way forward? Have you seen those two different people? One is like, one is like that. And another one is looking and saying, okay, this is what I did because of this. That is psychology, but it is a whole ass video. It is a whole project on itself. That is not the only part of psychology. It is different. There is also winning, the winning mentality. Like, anyway, let us just continue and finish our video. But start improving your psychology. Know what you're doing right. Know what works for you. Whole ass video. Anyway, the 10th and the last one is going to be subscribing to this channel and following and putting the notification bell on. I think this is also important because it is in the mask of finding a mentor. You need to find someone who inspires you in trading. You may not have a relationship with them, or you don't know them that well, but you need to find someone who mentors you, who thinks like, who inspires you. That is what I can say. And me, Joseph Katumba, I'm officially a mentor of some people. I thank those people that have entrusted me with trying to guide them a bit into the trading space. And it's tough. It's actually tough. I struggle too about, because these are people that are trusting you to be like, please guide us. We've seen your journey. We relate to that, and they want me to kind of, mentor them. I don't even want to say the word mentor, but I've taken on the responsibility of mentoring 25 people, of course even more people, but I don't know what to say. But find a mentor that you can relate to. There are plenty out there, and a lot of them have genuine intentions. They want to see you win, not just to take your money, right? Me, at the moment, I need a lot of money, of course, but what God has done for me in the past 2 months, I didn't expect. So I can say, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, but I don't know how to put it out. But what I'm saying is, find a mentor who is genuine, who really wants to see people win, because financial freedom is such a good thing. It is a beautiful thing. It is such a good thing to have money, because you can help others, you can be comfortable in your own skin, and it will help you achieve things. Anyway, pray about it. Even the words I say you won't change much, but just pray about it. Find someone really good, genuine, and happy to help you improve your trading journey. I think that is mainly what a beginner trader should do to become profitable. This could be a time period of a month. It could be a year before all this comes into sight for you. But one thing is important, is you not giving up, because trading has a lot of potential. It has a lot of, I don't know how I can describe it for you, but we keep learning, we keep improving, and we pray for God's guidance in all that we do, so that we become profitable traders, so that we get profits out of the markets, so that we be unstoppable. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I don't want to leave without a Bible verse, because I always do. So I've not prepared one. I don't even see where my phone is. I don't know where I put my phone, but I've not prepared a Bible verse for today. Maybe we shall go with the one that is easy for me to remember. I don't know. The shortest Bible verse is called, I don't know. I don't even know where it is, but it is Jesus weeps. Jesus weeps. That is the shortest in the Bible. So let us get inspiration from that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.